How to fix printer in error state on Windows 10. Complete step-by-step fix. Step 1. Check printer connection. First, make sure your printer is properly connected. If you are using a USB cable, unplug and reconnect it. Step 2. Restart devices. Turn off your printer and computer. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn them back on. Step 3. Set printer as default. Go to Control Panel, then Devices and Printers. Step 4. Update or reinstall printer driver. Go to Device Manager. Find your printer, right-click, and select Update Drive. Step 5. Check printer spooler service. Press Windows plus R type, services.msc. Need expert help? We're just call away. Contact us anytime, 24/7 support. Call us +1-888-768-4674.